All right, ground clearance test. So apparently this machine is like 20 lakh bucks. She's adding some sugar. Oh, bus, mata. I'll also start cooking now. All right, we've taken a... Sorry, Jasmine. हमारी body नहीं बन पा रही है, but हम dumbbell जरूर लेते हैं. Hey fam, it's Sunday and we're heading out for a little coffee. We've just all had lunch a while back and we thought we'll just step out into the city and check out a new cafe as well. And it'll be a fun reason to explore the rainy Dehradun. Beautiful! The sun is just about coming out. It was overcast earlier. No problems. Let's see how the city looks. Okay, so our plan is to try out this cafe called Me Talk Cafe at Old Rajpur Road. It looks pretty nice. Never been there. So let's see how it is. Jasmine and I enjoy coffees a lot. Mom and dad don't, but this is mostly just getting out for the sake of it. Where the clouds and the sky looks beautiful. Check this out. Whoa, that is stunning. And as we go towards, I think, Rajpur Road, it's just gonna look even more beautiful. I'm really enjoying the interiors. And I don't understand how this architecture is going with the clock tower. I mean, it's just such a mismatch. That is so good. Zarur Karan ji, how can I help you?
बेनती करनी सी ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਜੀ.
ਹਾਂਜੀ.
If you could be in the role play of the ਸ਼ਬਦ.
All right, ground clearance test. Let's see. Okay, it's touched the floor slightly, but that's okay. It's definitely not easy parking such a long car in these roads, but it's okay. We wanted to make a drive out of it. Yeah, I think that side got touched on the floor a bit, but it's okay. Part and parcel of ownership. These are the charming little roads, and this is where we've come. Let's see how the coffee is. Let's go. Hey, it looks pretty nice. I think the breakfast here seems pretty interesting. There's a Himalayan dosa, a meat omelette, right? So you have all sorts of options, pahadi eggs and salad, and let's see what else. Yeah, and then there's like a blueberry and almond toast that looks very interesting. Guacamole toast, pahadi platter looks so cool. Yeah, pretty interesting menu, I'd say that. A lot of vegetarian options, a lot of non-vegetarian options. And finally the coffee, which has oat milk as well, so that's a good thing.
If I am hacker, hack uncle brain and collect all knowledge.
So people are commenting that if I was a hacker, I'd hack uncle's brain and collect all the information. Good luck to that, man. This sandwich actually seemed so interesting and it's caught my eye. Assam black sesame tofu, which has bhang chutney, peanut spread and lettuce. I think we'll try this with a coffee. What? Yeah. It looks so good. So who told you about this machine? Oh, he's into coffee. So apparently this machine is like 20 lakh bucks. Slay from the United States, Italian, but 20 lakh rupees, man. Sadi pod machine is 1.5 lakhs and we found that expensive. 20 lakh di machine hai. बहुत expensive है.
कॉफी तो बना रहे हैं ना, बाकी तो अगर कोई और बड़ा काम करते तो पता नहीं कितना खर्चा आना पड़ता. 20 लाख से ऊपर तो डेकोरेशन का जाती है. ये तो फिर एसेट है उनका.
Yeah, true. It's an asset. Think like Bapu. That is the flat white, and this is the iced latte. She's adding some sugar. Oh, bus, mata. And Bapu's having hot coffee. Let's go. Okay, let us now taste this and tell you how it is. Different from the Starbucks for sure. Taste and see how you like it. It's good. It's good. I think it's better, but we just don't have the palate to see what a good coffee is. You don't like? Let's see what she thinks. अपनी टेस्ट करा, ये अच्छी होगी.
वही कह रहा हूँ मैं, काफी महंगा.
Yum. Chini.
It's not cheap
The iced latte is really good.
because it's my trick in the latte.
It's damn nice.
ये बेस्ट है.
ये बेस्ट है. सी सबको चीनी चाहिए. जितने भी मिठा है सारिया नु जचदा है. No, Mamad no like. Ma only likes Kardi cha. Yeah. Okay, so this is the tofu sandwich. First impressions looks pretty sweet. These are sweet potato fries. Naturally that's fried and this dip sort of ketchup is house made, made in the house. I'm gonna try the tofu and see how that is. Let's see. Yeah, it looks nice. Minimal. I like it so far. Mummy, taste karo. Simple, sober, and nice. I like. Yeah. बहुत ही सिंपल है. I think इसमें प्याज टमाटर हो सकता था. It's a beautiful day. Nice. Okay, now we're exiting the parking, so let's see if we can avoid the bump. Going very slow and steady. We're gonna turn the wheels. Yep, no bump. That's why these guys are standing out, because the weight of the car could have ensured a bump. Beautiful. Okay, Jasmine Kaur, what are your thoughts about the cafe, the coffee? The coffee, I liked it, but that's the thing. We just prefer home food so much, and we make such good food at home, man. Like, it's insane. It's a blessing. Mom is very passionate about good food. Jasmine is passionate. Alpidi is passionate. Papa's very passionate. I'm the eater, consumer of all of the food. But I'll also start cooking now, because I think I'll just level up myself even more if I start cooking.
नहीं वैसे है ना, कंज्यूमर ही ना हो तो बनाने वाले को मजा भी क्या आएगा.
Exactly. देखो जी, कंज्यूमर ना हो तो बनाने वाले को मजा कहाँ से आएगा. But yeah, it's been a nice drive. We are caffeine loaded. पता क्या होता है, when we go out and we have sandwiches and stuff like that, then हमें लगता है बस घर जाके एक चाय पीनी है, to water it all down, to shove it all down. कि घर की चाय से ही अब हमें, we'll get that satisfaction. We're homebodies through and through. Home is our comfort zone, but not to say that we can't go out, because once we step out of the house, I think वो comfort zone बन जाता है. Again, we adapt very properly. So when we would go to boarding school, 2 दिन तो बड़ा औखा लगता था, but after that it would be fine. So it's not an issue. We'll let the sun come down a bit, and then it's time to move our bodies and walk the little bebes on the road. Do something for their fitness.
हम स्कूल से ऐसे हैं. लाइक हम स्कूल जाते थे, जैसे मैं कॉलेज भी गई, हमें वहाँ मेस का, गवर्नमेंट मेस का खाना था, हमें वो भी ठीक लगता था खाने में.
हाँ,
Because I
adjust.
think हमें अडेप्टेशन स्कूल से.
Jasmine Kaur. ये भैया. Finally, before we end the video, let's ask Jasmine what's going to be her modus operandi to make money in the markets. Fair, how are you going to make money in the markets? And why are you confident you will succeed at something where 99% fail?
So it's not guesswork.
Because you're not going to guess.
Yeah.
So what's your idea? How are you going to approach the markets? What stock is going to be a good purchase for you?
That's in an uptrend.
Uptrend, solid uptrend. Moving out of a base, I would say, not necessarily a large base.
Yeah.
So I think what she's trying to say is most of us are trying to trade bases and consolidations, and we draw our resistances where the stock is not in a definite uptrend, like a strong uptrend, something that you cannot ignore no matter
what. I'm
what.
trying to say is, when you're doing stuff.
All right, we've taken a, sorry Jasmine. Ew. This car is not so easy to maneuver on the Indian roads. We've taken a quick break for dumbbells. Let's go. Aaja 2 minute. Jasmine, come please. Dumbbells खरीद के लाए. 5 kg की kettle भी. My mom wants it. चलो जी. Okay, now we'll just pick up dumbbells. Yeah, mom wants a 5 kilogram kettlebell as well. हाँ जी sir, क्या हाल है? बढ़िया. Dumbbell चाहिए आपसे हमें. एक तो 5 किलो की kettlebell. 6 भी चलेगा I think, right? 6 will be fine. ये इतना बढ़िया नहीं लग रहा. Damn, this is heavy, bro. It's heavy for Mana. 4 kilo. It seems damn heavy. This is 4 kilos. I think this is fine for Ma. What do you say? Yeah?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But the point is, what exercise does she want to do? Chalo, 4 kilo kettlebell, dumbbell, 20 kilo ka dikhana. Do you use 20 for anything at all? Because I'm thinking I'll do like shoulder press and squats.
Goblet squats.
And even like a chest press, sometimes single arm can happen with 20, because we have 15 max right now. So right now at home we have 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, and then straight 15. And a kettlebell of 12 kilograms. We've taken 4. And now we'll have a 20 kilo dumbbell. Yeah, just go ask Ma what she needs it for. And let's just take a moment to note how beautiful the vehicle is looking from this angle. Looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? इसमें बांध के क्यों रखा है 20 किलो?
हैवी है ना सर ये।
चलो देखते हैं. हमारी बॉडी नहीं बन पा रही है, बट हम डंबल जरूर लेते हैं.
नहीं बन जाएगी सर।
Oh, seems heavy.
इसमें हेक्सा सेव में ज़्यादा था ना, हेक्सा सेव। ये तो राउंड सेव हो गया।
और एक स्टैंडर्ड 20 किलो की बार कितने की है? ओलंपिक इंपोर्टेड बार 9,000 की और लोकल 6,000. द इंपोर्टेड बार इज 9,000. ज़्यादा डंबल बिकते नहीं क्या?
नहीं बिकते हैं सर।
ये तो थर्मो पावर नहीं है ना?
थर्मो पावर, सॉरी सर।
बिकॉज बाकी सारे थर्मो पावर है घर पर. मेरा नंबर भी ले लो.
दूसरे वाले स्टोर पे 5 किलो की केटलबेल भी पूछवा ले।
मम्मी को किस एक्सरसाइज से चाहिए?
वो लक्ष्य।
चलो आप फिलहाल ये दे दो. But let's just do 6, so you think that'll be heavy for her.
She said 6 also.
So she can try it out, just call her once. She has to buy it. Go ना. 4 किलो का भैया बेस्ट प्राइस लगाना.
और आपके लिए आप लास्ट टाइम आए थे सर।
हाँ, yes. पर मुझे महंगा लगा था बहुत.
महंगा सर क्या बात है।
अच्छा. She's not coming. My God. ये 900 का है और 6 किलो वाला कितने का है? बताओ फिर कौन सा लेना है? 1350 का है 6 किलो, 900 का है.
ये वाला पड़ा है।
हाँ, ये 2700 का है. फिर यही ले लेते हैं.
प्लास्टिक है सर, प्लास्टिक है।
ये तो बहुत ही अगली लग रहा है. We're finalizing the 6 kilogram kettle and let us go now. ये दे दो. And 20 किलो का डंबल कितने का है? 1 किलो कितने का हुआ? 220 रुपये. ठीक है. ये इसके कितने दूँ? 2200. कुछ लेस नहीं, 2000 कर दूँ? The dirtier your dumbbells remain, that means they're getting used. आपका नाम क्या है जी?
श्रीकांत।
Shrikant? Okay, ji. Thank you, boss.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, that pretty much ends our day out. Beauty is shining. Jasmine Kaur has taken the front seat. Soft close. Okay. Chalo. Dumbbells, some coffee, some drive, some scraping the underbody, some car review. It's a beautiful day. Some stocks also discussed. We disrupted Jasmine as she was talking about her bases. But Jasmine, we want reality. Trade, show us your how much you make in percentage terms on your stocks, and we'll do that. Thank you for joining. Say hi to Bappu, Ma Bappu. Bye. See you guys tomorrow, and God bless you all. We're back, home sweet home. No place like it. Most stunning place on earth, and this is my favorite time of the day. Golden hour.